how to get the new Messenger update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get the new Messenger update on your phone, whether you are on Android or iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store, and now here you can simply go to the search section, and here you can just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the Messenger app. And now here you can simply look for the Messenger by Meta or Facebook in the result, and if you see the update button, you can simply tap on it, and this will download the latest Messenger version with new features and improvement. And if it says open, then you have already installed the latest version of Messenger. And for future updates, what you can do is simply tap on the three dot icon next to the Messenger, and from here you simply have to check this option that says enable auto update. And once you do that, here it will auto update if any latest version is available on the Play Store. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.